Hi Neil, this is Pam. This is a video report for you of the Gully. Now, Craig's just down the far end there. It's a bit windy up here today, so we've got to be careful. But just where he's sitting, just point to it, Craig. Just there is a small crack in the lead. It's very tiny, and that should be repaired. However, that is way down the gully. Your leak is here, and this slopes uphill this way, so that cannot be the leak. It needs fixing, but it cannot be the leak. Now, you know that each of these slopes has underfelt under it. This one has underfelt, and that one has underfelt. So if there's a broken tile somewhere, then the water goes through the tile, hits the underfelt, comes down, and goes onto the lead, providing it's correctly lapped. Now, that then leads us to, let's look for broken tiles. Now, we've looked before on your side here, and there are some very minor issues here and there. Very, very minor corners off and so on. Now, they cannot possibly leak. There are, if you like, rules of engagement for this, which we know and understand. I won't bother explaining, but there's a point where they don't leak. However, if we look at next doors, we've got a couple that probably are leaking. One there. That's a possibility as well. Now, if the underfelt on next doors is not lapped correctly, then that would be your leak. Now that's a bit of a dilemma for you. But here's another one, okay? This point here is approximately where the two houses join. If we look about 3 meters across onto next doors there, you can see they've got two slip slates. So they are leaking. But the water will go onto the underfelt, and because of this side of the valley, this is the valley here, the underfelt should overlap onto this lead coming down here, and should correctly overlap onto the lead down here at this point. But if it's not lapped correctly, then it will go underneath the lead. But again, that's not your problem. You're getting the bloody leak, but that's next door's problem. Now there's another issue which I just seen Craig looking at there, and that is just down here. Has that been correctly lapped, Craig? Eaves tiles fitted? Okay, sorry. Disregard that last comment. Okay, end of that report.